Hello and welcome to another video about the IDT Labs Software as a Service Cloud, also known as SaaS, brought to you by IDT Labs. And in this video, I'll be talking about how you can create calendar events, that is how you can create meetings and stuff like that. Okay, so to view the calendar event and create new calendar events from the messaging tabs, you come to organizer and then you click calendar. So this is the current calendar of this particular person administrator, and as you can see there are different views of this calendar. This is the month view of the calendar. You can change it to week view to see the weeks, that is Sunday, Monday, Tuesday and so on. You can change it to day to actually see the hours within the day, and you can make events within a specific hour of the day or a specific day of the week or a specific day of the month. Okay, and these are the different views of this particular calendar of this for the particular calendar of this user, and you can change to list view. Okay, you can again change to form view, and then you can change to the Gantt view. Okay, so from the calendar view, if you actually want to create a new event, you just need to click at any date in this particular month, or if it is in week, you click on the particular day in the week. Okay, or if it is within the day, you click a particular hour within this day. Okay, so in this month we're going to create an event for the 15th. Okay, so we're going to call the event meeting with board of directors. Okay, and we can create the event. Okay, so we can select the event and actually do some editing to it. That is, we can add the attendees to this particular event. Let's say we want to add Nebula, we want to add Agnes Jones. Okay, and we want to add again say David Agaba. Okay, so these are the attendees that will be attending the meeting, but we'll remove David Agaba because she doesn't have an email address. Okay, but you can add the person if you want to. Okay, and then another thing we can do is we can specify the starting of the meeting and then the ending of the meeting. Now if you select all day, that means you will only have the chance to select the starting time a particular day and then the starting time another day. Okay, so but we actually want to specify the meeting to start at a specific hour of the day and end another hour of the day. Okay, so we're going to uncheck this. We'll have the ability to actually select the time and hour. So we say the meeting will start at 8 o'clock in the morning, and then it will end at 10 o'clock in the morning. So this is a 2 hours meeting. Okay, and then we can give a tag to this particular meeting. Let's say this is an internal meeting, and we can specify reminders for this meeting, like say I want a reminder at 2 hours notification, 2 hours towards the meeting, and then a notification for this particular meeting, a notification for everybody who will be attending the meeting as well. Okay, so we can see the location of the meeting is conference room. Okay, and then we can give a description. So this meeting is about finding a solution to the problem of internet connectivity in the office. Okay, so this is the description of the meeting. Okay, and from options we can specify whether the meeting is a recurrent meeting, and also we can send invitations after we've saved the meeting. Okay, so when we click save, we'll have the ability to send invitations to all these users. So we click send mail. All of these users will receive an email about the notification about this event. Okay, and then if we come to miscellaneous, we can specify who's the actual owner of this particular meeting. Okay, we can change. So now, like if we come to a list view, we can see that it has been added. Subject is meeting with board of directors. Anyway, let me just select it again and edit meeting details. Okay, So we can come options, invitations, okay, miscellaneous, we click save. Alright, so if we come to list view, we will actually see the date of the meeting, and we can see who's responsible, the location of the meeting, okay, and how you actually want to show the time, your time allocation to other people, to other users. So like if a user actually want to talk to you, your status will be busy within this specific time, 8 o'clock to 10 o'clock, and then the duration of the meeting here is 2 hours, okay. So you can even change the form view and view it again, and as you can see, these are the different attendees to this particular meeting, okay. You can send a general message to them, okay, but let me just show you something. Okay, so now I come back, you see it has been added here, okay. The starting time is 8 o'clock. And then another thing you can do, let me just switch to another user I created. Let me just log in as Nebula from over here. Okay, so Nebula and the password, okay, login. So Nebula can actually see that there is a meeting with the board of directors, and if Nebula comes to the calendar, she will see that she has a meeting on the 8th and with the board of directors, and the event will be automatically added to her calendar, okay. And then another thing you can do again is, let me come over here, and if I create an event, let me just create another one and another private event and say meet with HR director. Okay, so I can create this event, okay. So now this event is only visible to me, okay. And let me just create another event here for sorry, again on the 19th, and say meet with CTO, and click create event, okay. So now from here, if I actually add the calendar of, like, for example, these are the people's calendar who I'm actually viewing. If I add a calendar of Nebula, I will actually see her events, okay, the events of Nebula and the date she has those events. And if I come again to Nebula and add the calendar of administrator, favorite calendar, okay, let me just say everybody's calendar, okay. So as you can see, this is meet with HR director, and it belongs to administrator, okay. And then another cool thing you can do is within this event, you can, just like I said, you can send group messages to a group message to everybody within that is attending this event. Let me just say meet with board of directors. I can send a message and say hello everyone, the time for the meeting has been scheduled for 12 o'clock p.m. okay, we get admin, and then we click send. We can attach a file if we want to, click send, okay. So now if I come over here, I can see the message from this particular administrator and say hello everyone, the time for the meeting has been scheduled for 12 o'clock p.m. and it is with a heading meeting with board of directors, and can reply if I want to this message and say okay. Thanks for the early notification, okay. And if I come over here to admin again, I can say reply, okay. So this is it so far for creating calendar events. You can do a lot with it, okay. You can even create, just like I said, you can create event for a particular hour of the day or a particular day of the week, okay. You can even create event for dates, saying you want to create event for a date in February 2016, okay. You can do that, okay. So you can actually do a lot of things, and let me just see. So you see, you can even search for the meetings, okay, using this search bar. Let me see, CEO. Okay, so you see, you can even search for meetings if you have a lot of meetings and a lot of events that are in your calendar. Okay, you can search for them by their keywords. Okay, so this is it so far for this video. Thanks for watching. Hope you learned something new. Bye.